This tutorial will show you how to bookmark page or pages in Safari browsing search engine or browser for iOS completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to bookmark a page in Safari iOS completely for free. Type in Safari and then open up the Safari app and then locate the website that you would like to bookmark on iOS completely for free using Safari. Click on the screen right here at the bottom. As you can see, it pulls up, and then click the third icon or option right here next to the book icon, which is the share icon or the middle screen, and then scroll down until you see a list of different options, and then underneath copy and underneath add to reading list and above add to favorites, it says add bookmark, and then click on it. And as you can see, it's gonna save it. We have the URL and the website, and then you can click save at the top right hand screen. So basically now if we were to go to our home page on our iOS device, and as you can see, you have now successfully saved this as a bookmark on iOS using Safari completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.